morning everyone. So for today's video, we're going to the strongest waterfalls in the world, I guess. Yeah, at the Murchison Falls National Park. So it's a 3 hours drive from here. So my colleagues are already there since yesterday. So we're just catching up for the weekend. So see you guys. Hey guys, this is the national park. No one. There's nothing now. Hey guys, look at these ones. Cute. There's a lot of antelopes. Yeah. Now we go that one. Yeah. Amazing, it's big. It's huge. Hello my friend. Wow, amazing. Hey guys, look at the hippos. It's so cool. Hey! Hey guys, we're here, boat cruise at Nile. It's a Nile River, yeah? Victorian Island. Yes. Alright guys, we're here at Victorian Island. Welcome everybody! Hi Captain! What's your name? Leo. Leo. Okay, nice to meet you. Ay ay ay. So guys, this is our adventure for today. We're gonna go to the most powerful falls in the world. The Murchison Falls, guys. So look at this. La la la. Hey guys, so we're gonna see crocodiles. Yes, this is the upper deck. Hey, Mr. Crocodile. There you go. We got elephant. Oh, there's a baby. Oh, that's not. Little eyes.
So to avoid that, everybody has to take food for the young one.
Hello.
Elephant.
Hey guys, a black giraffe. It's my first time to see this one. Hey boy, it's a male because it has more dark spots. Wow, safari in Victorian Island. Bye. Wow. Hippos. Why is it blurred? I don't have a good one.
Son enormes.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow. That's nice. Wow. Ah, they're so huge. Come on. Ay, this is good. So close. I need a selfie. Your turn.
Thank you.
Hello guys. So we're here at Victorian Island to go to Murchison National Park. like just pouring. It's waterfalls. Hey guys, look at this most powerful waterfalls in the world. The Murchison Falls National Park. Ay, ay, ay. I can't go there. This is... Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Scary. Oh my god. Wow. Hey guys, so for today's video we're here at the most powerful falls in the world. Hold up. Concentrate. Woo. And here's the surroundings. Hey guys, let me show you the place. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, scary. So guys, this is the boat cruise here in Victorian Island. Wait, let's show you a very nice view. Wow. Hello guys, so I just arrived here at my accommodation. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So let's go inside. Oh my god guys, I have talked for so long. I thought I have recorded it, so there you go again. Um After 5 hours drive, we reached here at Murchison River Lodge. This accommodation is $90. Yeah, almost like 4,500 or 4,000 pesos. It's just for the weekend. Tomorrow we're going back to site. So I just want to see the waterfalls. I'm just excited, and we did that today. We went to the Murchison waterfalls by a boat cruise. It was just good. We've seen a lot of elephants, some antelopes, some hippos. They're big hippos, a lot of them. We've seen a crocodile also, Nile crocodile. So it was actually a nice experience. I'm just very tired from the drive to reach here, and there's so many potholes on the way, so that was just fucked up. It's just took us a while because of the potholes on the way. So anyway, we were safe here, thanks Lord. And yeah, I had fun. I enjoyed. We went to the cruise. We had a drink. I was so hungry. I didn't eat. I have all my food but it's left in the car, so it was just fucked up. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna be resting for a while waiting for my driver to bring my bags here in the room. Ayun, I hope Will is here. May kasama ako. Hi guys, there you go. I just finished unpacking my bags. So now I'm going to the bar to have some coffee, and the view is really amazing. Look at this. There are like rhinos everywhere. Got aloe veras. This is the bar. So it's kind of exciting. Just gonna have coffee and I'll show you guys this place. Complimentary coffee or tea, and you get to see this view. Alright, a lake. It's a beautiful lake. Wow. Imagine. I should go there and I'll have some coffee. Nice. Wow. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna prepare some coffee and then so I have coffee, hot water. There you go. So there you go guys, I just made my coffee here with this background. Amazing. Look at that. Peaceful. You get to see some hippos there swimming around. Nice. So this is how we chill. No, not like that. This is just a weekend getaway here. One night stay here at Murchison River Lodge. Look at this guys, I'm just going to the bar for dinner and they have lamps because this place is run by solar energy, so electricity is a little bit of in abundance, so we're just gonna have these lamps over here, and for sure when it's raining they're all gonna be running away picking all these lamps. But there, of course, there's some lights as well, but yeah. Hello. Hi, good evening. Alright guys, dinner time.